Hey there, my name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmermarketing.com, and in this video, what I'd like to go ahead and share with you is going to be an easy way to go ahead and do some keyword research for your CTR manipulation Google Maps SEO campaigns. That was a mouthful. So I don't want to waste too much time here because I've gotten this question quite a bit. Chris, I'm utilizing CTR manipulation tools. You already know the tools. I'm not going to mention any tools today, right? But let's say you're using quote-unquote bots to run CTR manipulation campaigns in order to get a ranking increase. Bots that might be including the actions like directional requests, call requests. Maybe you're doing brand requests, you're doing keyword-specific, location-specific based keyword searches, and then clicking on the profile, right? You know the type of CTR campaigns and the tools that I'm referring to. But the question at hand here is, well, Chris, which keywords exactly are going to move the needle? And I want to give you the easiest way that I have found to literally do that. Like, what should I be doing in order to get a boost on my Google business profile, get a ranking increase in maps? So I'm going to take you over to my profile here. All right, so here's the profile. This is just mine. Now, what you're looking to do is only increase what you're already naturally receiving. You see, the keywords that you're generating are the same that your competitors are receiving and getting, except for they're getting higher volumes and they have a different brand name than you. So all you're looking to do is go over to wherever your Gmail is, wherever your Google business profile is, log into that Gmail account so you can get your profile to come up. I'll show you within mine here. So I went to my profile. Now that I'm in the profile, what you want to do is click on performance. All right. So this is inside your GBP. All right. This is your dashboard. So once I'm inside of here, what you're looking to increase is when you come over here to where it says searches showed your business profile in search results, searches that showed your business inside of search results. All right. And also in maps, because as you know, the amount of listings in organic and also maps. We're increasing these numbers that we're already receiving. All right. So if you click here, what you can see that's generating the actual increase is, of course, brand. Brand is always first. So we want to increase our brand. So I have two variations of my brand name, Chris Palmer SEO and Chris Palmer Marketing. Now, the primary service that's triggering a result is digital marketing. Right? So digital marketing, a lot of people might put in digital marketing plus area. In this case, they're just typing in digital marketing. They're looking for just me, right? Google Maps, marketing, Chris Palmer Marketing, right? They're putting in Chris Palmer Marketing SEO, SEO expert near me. What we're looking to do is increase these phrases and these terms. But I want to point something out that's even more important. What we really want to also do is when you scroll down here to the bottom, there are secondary terms that had less than 15 searches, right? We want to start looking at these keywords as well, because as you see here, they're showcasing 50. What I would look to do is gather up 40 of your keywords, 20 of your most prominent, and then 20 of the ones that are going to be 15 or less. What you're looking to do is increase these keywords starting with a 10% increase based on the keyword. So if I'm getting 612 here, I want to increase this number by an extra 10%. Chris Palmer Marketing, an extra 10%. Now the actions that you're doing, all right, we're not talking about just clicks. We're talking about how people are seeing the business. I'm not saying to increase each of these numbers or each of these keywords percentages by 10% and then add a click. No, I'm getting found 10% more for all of these keywords, 40 of these keywords, in order to increase the overall performance of the profile. The average click rate should still be within normal range. Don't go bananas here. All right. So I wanted to show you a fast and easy way to develop a keyword list for your CTR manipulation campaigns to make your life a lot easier. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any other questions related to Google Maps SEO or CTR manipulation SEO or anything else, never hesitate. Go ahead and ask your questions in the section below, and I always look forward to seeing you in the next CTR manipulation for Google Maps SEO video. And since it's the end of the video, you made it this far, use coupon newsletter with a capital N for a 10% discount at services.chrispalmermarketing.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.